Zippo makes a dash for the Indian market as the windproof lighters used extensively by the US Army during World War II did for business in the country. The lighter's trademarked signature click sound has been part of countless Hollywood and Bollywood movies, as well as rock concerts where they were usually held high in the air with the flame on. Seen as a distinct symbol of American manufacturing and known for its guarantee, it works or we fix it free, Zippo wants India to be a market where it makes a strong connect with consumers. We see India as a high potential market, and as we begin direct sales after setting up our fully owned subsidiary, we plan to carry out a series of market research programs to have a deeper insight of the opportunities here. Lucas Johnson, Associate VP of Zippo's Global Marketing, told TOI from the company's headquarters at Bradford, Pennsylvania. Zippo has sold over 60 crore lighters since it began operations near 9 decades ago in the year 1932. Thousands of different styles and designs has been made in the decades since the introduction of the brand, including US military versions for specific regiments and also limited edition NFL collectibles. The company had been in India for some years, but only through distributors, which gave it a limited presence. And with a direct presence now, it hopes that its lighters, priced between Rs 2149 and 9499, could have a wider footprint. Zippo will be retailing its products through online channels while also looking to open brand stores.